Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Uh, let's start today the examples on this Gorger algorithm. As yesterday we have discussed what is Gorger algorithm and how it is used to calculate a single frequency. So today we will have a look on what kind of examples are to be asked. Just take a question, note down the question. For sequence x of n, for sequence x of n, x of n, one minute, cable ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿರ cable ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು ಇರ್ಲಿ one minute, just a minute, let me connect this back to the system. Okay, so what you have written for sequence x of n is equals to x of n equals to 2 0 2 0 full stop. Determine, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Determine x of 2, that is you write capital X of 2 using Gorgel algorithm, full stop. Assume initial conditions are 0. So can anyone repeat the question? Yes, anybody please? Just repeat the question.
For sequence x of n 2020, determine capital X of 2 using Gorger algorithm.
Okay. Full stop. Assume initial conditions are 0. You have not written that part? Full stop. Assume initial conditions are 0. Okay. Now let us calculate the solution of this. Let's write a solution on this part. Okay. So what is our Gorger algorithm condition? We have it is like x of k is equals to yk of n at the value of n is equals to capital N. Okay, as we have derived yesterday this equation. Now, by looking at the question, what is the value of k? Can anyone tell me?
2.
Looking at the question, the value of k is 2. What about n? Capital N?
4.
4. Okay, so the value of k is 2 and n is 4. Now, based on this, the above equation becomes x of 2 is equals to, what I can write? Yk of n at n equals to 4. You getting my point?
Yes.
And we know that, and we know the difference equation also. And What the difference equation we have calculated? Yk of n minus, we have calculated Wn to the power minus k into Yk of n minus 1 into Yk of n minus 1 is equals to x of n. So this is what already we have derived yesterday. We have looked at the condition x of k equals to Yk of n at n equals to n, and we have derived the equation for the difference equation. That is, last equation is Yk of n minus Wn to the power minus k Yk of n minus 1 equals to x of n. Okay. Any confusion here? Any doubt or any question? Now,
No, sir.
so let us substitute the values what we have noted. So what is the value we have noted is Yk of, so we will write the value Yk, k value is 2, Y2 of n minus Wn to the power, sorry, n we are to return it as 4. It is k value is again, what is the k value here? Minus 2. Okay. And y2 of n minus 1 is equals to x of n it is. Okay. We have calculated this value now. Now, what is the value of W4 to the power minus 2? Anybody? What is the value of, you can write here where W4 to the power minus 2 can be written as, how I can write this? कोई बताएंगे मुझे? Yes. What is its value? Am I audible to all? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इतना silent मत हो जाओ यार. I will be like having doubt on my system. So what is the value of this W4 to the power minus 2? So how do you check this?
E raised to minus 2 j pi 2.
Okay. So we'll write it is e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into minus 2. Okay, minus into minus is again plus 2 into 2 4. Everything will get cancelled here. So we'll get simply it is e power j pi. Correct? Yes or no? What is its value now? What is the value of e raised to j pi?
Minus 1.
It is minus 1. Okay. So we will write it as minus 1. Now what will happen to the above equation? Are you noting this?
Yes, sir.
So we will write it as y2 of n. The value of this W4 to the power minus 2 is minus 1. So it will become plus y2 of n minus 1 is equals to x of n. Any confusion in this equation, calculating this equation? Any confusion here?
No, sir.
सबको समझ में आया? Anybody please, others, can you give me the response again?
Yes, sir.
So this is very important.
Yes,
equation
sir.
now. Okay. So now we need to calculate the what value? The value we have to calculate it x of 2. So that means, so we will write it as, अभी x of 2 के लिए क्या लिखना पड़ेगा हमें? So we want here like x of 2, what we will write is, so let me write it in this way otherwise. So x of 2 is equals to, we have to write y2 of 4. This is from this equation I am writing. Getting my point? यहाँ से लिख रहा हूँ मैं उसको. I'm just writing it from this equation. So we want x of 2 as the value of y2 of 4. मतलब x of 2 कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है अभी? We need to calculate the value of y2 of 4. Okay. So then, how do we calculate that? How do we calculate that? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Anybody? How I can calculate this value? Any doubt up to this point?
No, sir.
No, sir.
हाँ, तो कोई बताएंगे मुझे अब how I will calculate this value now? Someone is speaking something. Can I get the correct answer? So let us call this as our equation 1. Let me call it as equation 1. Okay. So this equation 1 can be written as, how I will write? I can write it as y2 of n is equals to x of n minus y2 of n minus 1. ठीक है, अभी हमें y2 of 4 का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? Let us go on substituting the value of n equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3. ठीक है, so let us first let n equals to 0. What will happen? It will happen like y2 of 0 is equals to, what we will get? X of 0 minus y2 of minus 1 will get. So what is the value of x of 0 here?
2.
What is the value of x of 0? It's 2 minus y2 of minus 1 is what? As I have given you the condition, initial values are 0. So initial condition values are 0. So that means this will be equals to 2. Understood? How I have calculated the value of y2 of 0?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion here? Any
No, sir.
Okay. So then let us calculate the next value. The next value is again y2 of 1. So which will be equals to what I will write? Anybody?
X of 1 minus y2 of 0.
X of 1 minus y2 of 0. Okay. So which will be equals to, what is the value of x of 1?
0.
X of 1 value is 0 minus y2 of 0 we have calculated in the first part, that is 2 again. So which will be equals to minus 2. Correct?
Yes.
Then next, we'll calculate y2 of 2. y2 of 2, which is equals to, what I will write? X of 2,
X of 2 minus y2 of 1.
y2 of 1. So, what is its value now? What is its value?
2 minus
4.
of minus
X of 2
2.
का value 2 minus of minus 2. So, which will be equals to, again it is 4. And lastly, that is again, we'll calculate it n equals to 3. So, it is y2 of 3, which is equals to, what you will get? X of 3 minus y2 of 2, which is equals to, x of 3 का वैल्यू क्या है?
0.
X of 3 value is again 0 minus 4. So, which will be equals to, again it is 4. Okay. Now,
Minus 4, sir.
what is next again?
Minus 4.
Okay, wait. So, we'll get it as minus 4, right? This is minus 4. And lastly, we will calculate it as y2 of 4 is equals to, y2 of 4 is equals to, we have the value x of 4 minus y2 of 3, which is equals to, what we will get? What is x of 4 value here? Is it available in the given
0.
sequence? No. So then we are writing it as 0 minus of minus 4. So which will be equals to, get the value as 4. So what is the value of x of 2 now finally? So therefore
4.
we can write this value. Therefore I can write the value of x of 2 as, finally, x of 2 is equals to y2 of 4, which is equals to, we are writing it as simply 4. So this is the way how we are calculating the single frequency value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty here?
No, sir.
So this is how we are using a Gaussian algorithm to find a single frequency value or the constant value. Now, what are the things you need to remember here? Can you tell me? What are the main things to be remembered to solve this equation? एक आपको याद रखना है. What is that first part?
Formula.
Of n minus
X of k is equals to yk of n at n equals to 4. Sorry, at n equals to n it is first part. And what is the next part? And yk of n minus wn to the power minus k yk of n minus 1 is equals to x of n. If you remember these two equations, so you can solve the examples related to the Gaussian algorithm. Getting my point? Or any confusion here? Yes? Any problem, any difficulty, any questions? You can ask me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we will take up. So this is all about your fourth unit. Almost we have completed the fourth unit. We will take up the some questions which are there in the assignment, and then we will close the session. Let me check whether I have some questions here. Assignment questions. Okay. Okay. So let me go to the chapter 4. We will take up the questions. Okay. So here we will have a discussion on assignment 4 again. Some of you have solved already, but for the better understanding of others, let me discuss here. Okay. What is the first question? Can anyone read it?
Compute IDFT of sequence x of k is equal to 1, 1 plus j, 2, 1 minus j2, 0, 1 plus j2, 0, 1 minus j using IFFT algorithm.
Okay. Now, in this question, they have not mentioned which algorithm should be used, either like DIT or DIF. So what is to be used here?
DIF.
DIF.
Why DIF? Anybody? Why DIF should be used? Can I get the correct answer? Some of you are telling like DIF. Okay, that's correct. But why? Anybody? तो कल का हमारा सीक्वेंस कहाँ पे खत्म हुआ था? 36 या 37? 37 is there? Roll number 37.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ मैडम.
Hello.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Tell me like. बता सकते हैं आप?
नहीं, sir.
Which decimation algorithm we have to use here?
नहीं पता, sir.
आप टीवी के सामने अगर बैठेंगे तो फिर कैसा पता चलेगा मैडम?
टीवी के सामने नहीं, sir. वो
कहाँ से आवाज आ रहा है उतना?
म्हणजे सलग येत आमचे रूम, त्यामुळे समोरच्या रूम मध्ये टीव्ही.
मग थोडा आवाज कमी करायला सांगा त्यांना. तुम्हाला डिस्टर्ब होत नाही का ते? कसं लक्षात राहील? तिकडे ते आवाज ऐकणार का इकडे माझा आवाज ऐकणार? Otherwise you decide like where to sit, like where you will not get the disturbance.
Yes, sir.
Then very well concentrate then. Then it is of no use, na, simply by attending, like simply logging in, and if you are not understanding the things, it's of no use then. So what you are understanding with this? Can you tell me? तो क्या करना चाहते हैं आप यहाँ पे? Have you started solving the assignment questions?
No, sir.
Then what is the problem? What is the problem? Have you attended all lectures of 4th unit?
Yes. Yes, sir.
हाँ, फिर क्या problem है?
पहिले 2 लेक्चर मिस झाले.
ठीक आहे, मग का अडचण काय याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला? So what difficulties you are facing? See, simply attending a lecture is not a solution. You should try to learn the things again. And you should represent it whenever it is required. Otherwise, it's of no use. So take care. Next, 38. 38 is there? 38. 39. 36.
Yes, sir.
Madam. Can you tell me which computation method is used here?
DISP.
Huh? Which computation? DIFFT. Okay.
हाँ.
So why it is DIFFT? Reason बताएंगे मुझे? Why not DIT?
नहीं बता सकती हूँ.
तो DIF ही क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप? DIT क्यों? There should be some reason ना?
हाँ.
मग काय उगाच जय माताजी चालू आहे का? DIT किंवा DIF कुठला तरी एक. Yes, anybody please? Can you help her? Anyone? Like why it is like DIF algorithm we are using here?
So DIT नहीं करे फिर क्या नहीं?
DIT न पण
येऊ शकता आन्सर.
DIT ने येऊ सकता answer, right? Answer you will get, but according to the given sequence, these are given in x of k value. Okay, so if x of k values are there, then we are decimating in frequency domain. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you are decimating it in frequency domain, then better you go with the DIF value, DIFFT algorithm. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि x of k दिया हुआ है, ये यहाँ पे याद रखो अभी. Just remember one thing. If x of k is given and asked to perform IFFT or FFT, then you have to use a DIFFT algorithm. If x of n is used, then you have to go for a DIT algorithm. So ये थोड़ा याद रखो. Otherwise, suppose यहाँ पे x of k दिया हुआ है. Let us assume that. ठीक है. But he is asking you to perform with the DIT. Then how do you solve that? तब क्या करेंगे आप?
DIT से
ही करना है वहां पे. Getting my point? तो कोई summarize करेंगे यहाँ पे अभी? If the value is given in the form of x of k, which method we are using? DIFFT algorithm. Okay, if the value is given in the form of x of n, then
DIT.
DIT FFT एल्गोरिथम, राइट। सो ये आपको पहला याद रखना है। अगर आपको वहां पे सीक्वेंस दिया हुआ एंड इफ इज आस्क्ड यू टू सॉल्व विद द पर्टिकुलर मेथड, either DIF मेथड और DIT मेथड, देन वी हैव टू गो विद अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन। नोटेशन का वहां पे कोई वैल्यू नहीं रहता है। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any confusion here?
No, sir.
Second question again, it is same as above only. तो यहाँ पे अभी second question is what? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? What is the second question?
Given
anyone
8
read?
point DFT of given 8-point DFT of the sequence x of k is equal to 36 minus 4 plus j 9.6569 minus 4 plus j 4 minus 4 plus j 1.6569 minus 4 minus 4 minus j 1.6569 minus 4 minus j 4 minus 4 minus j 9.6569 using IFFT algorithm.
ओके, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा यूज करेंगे अभी?
Same DIF is
DIF.
DIF we will use. Okay, but it is asked you to calculate the IFFT. So what are the case? What is the care we have to take on here? What should be the care we have to take? When it is asked to find IFFT,
1 by n से मल्टीप्लाई करना है सर.
all output should be multiplied with 1 by n, 1 point. What else again? What else
Multiplier
again? This
should
is
be
like kind of
complex
revision I am
conjugate.
doing. Multiplier should be a complex conjugate. Very good. And if it is DIF, what will be the input pattern?
Natural order.
Natural.
Natural order. Natural order as the input pattern, and output will be
Bit reversal.
output will be in
bit reversal.
bit reversal order. ठीक है, आउटपुट जो आपको फाइनल मिलता है वो बिट रिवर्सल ऑर्डर में रहता है, लेकिन while representing the final answer, again you have to convert that into the natural form. Yes? Still any confusion here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then I think find the DFT of the sequence. So here, what is this? Can anyone tell me? Let me ask to somebody, like roll number 39 is there? $39. $41.
Yes, sir.
Hi madam, how do you solve this third question? How do you solve the third question?
DIT algorithm for using.
Using DIT algorithm you are going to solve. Can you tell me the points? Procedure क्या है उसका? क्या क्या important है यहाँ पे? So through you I am just discussing with all. It is a kind of revision to others. तो कैसा सॉल्व करते हैं आप इसको?
x ऑफ n के वैल्यूज है 2 स्टेप आए हैं, स्टेज आएंगे.
How many stages you require?
3.
3 स्टेजेस। हाँ, स्टेज का फॉर्मेट क्या रहेगा आपका?
842.
It is DIT, madam. For DIT, what will be the computation format?
248.
ओके, 248। ठीक है। मल्टीप्लायर्स कितने लगेंगे यहाँ पे? हाउ मेनी मल्टीप्लायर्स यू रिक्वायर? Okay, let me ask to somebody else. 42 is there?
Yes, sir.
Ah, madam. Can you tell me how many multipliers you require to solve this third example?
4.
Only 4.
Yes, sir.
तो आपका पेटेंट बन जाएगा मैडम. With 4 multipliers, if you are able to get the answer for this. Or you want to say that like for each stage 4 multipliers are required?
No, sir.
ऐसा बोल. हाँ.
First
Total is 4
stage में
multipliers.
हाँ
हाँ, like stage wise it requires.
हाँ
बोलो
W2
ना.
to the power 0 and W4 to the power 0,
Okay.
W8 to the power 1, W8 to the power 2, W8 to the power 3. That's it.
Okay, means each 4, that is each stage you require the 4 multipliers.
Yes, sir.
So to perform this total computation, how many multipliers you require? 4, 4, 4, 12 multipliers. बराबर
Yes, sir.
है ना? So what will be the input pattern for this?
X of 0, bit reversal input.
Okay, the input pattern will be in bit reversal form. ठीक है, very good. Then what will be the output form?
Natural order.
Natural order. आपके मल्टीप्लायर्स इनपुट साइड रहते हैं या आउटपुट साइड रहते हैं यहाँ पे?
Input side.
Input side. Very good, madam. Okay, let's go to the next question. 43 is there? 43. 44. 44. 45. 46. तर हे तर काय सगळे महान लोकच आहेत. 46 is there? If you are not responding, I am going to mark the absentee today. 46, 47. 47. 47. 48. 49, 50, 51. 51 is there? Okay. Thank you. At least Sujay is present. Sujay, are you able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir. हाँ.
Can you read the question number 4? Can you read the question number 4?
Computer IDF of sequence x of k equal to 7, comma minus 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus j 0.771 0.7.7 plus
J 0.7.7, comma J, comma minus 0.7.7 plus J 0.7, comma 7 using DIT IFFT algorithm.
Okay, very good. Can you tell me how it can be solved? आप बता सकते हैं मुझे कैसा सॉल्व करना है इसको? बता सकते हैं या नहीं बता सकते? हॅलो, काय अडचण येते तुम्हाला? कुठं कळालं नाही याच्यामध्ये सांगा मला. So what is the difficulty you are facing? And what the problem with all is, like, you people never raise any questions, and while I am asking the questions, you simply say the answer as nahi kadala, and someone will tell sir not understood. काय फायदा आहे मग? जवळजवळ आपले 40 लेक्चर झाले आता, मग त्याचं काय कळालंच नसतं तर मग लेक्चर घेऊन फायदा काय त्याला? So in 40 hours lecture, no one has asked me a single question. So that is the greatness of all from your side. Yes, 51. Are you there? Or your network issue started? 52. 53. Okay, can anyone tell me? Others?
फर्स्ट DIT से सॉल्व करने का
Yes.
और उसके बाद DIF से
जरूरत नहीं है, right? If using
तो
DIT
कॉमा
दो
दे
बार
उसको
कौन सा? Using DIT IFFT was telling, right? So it's not DIF. Don't get confusion in the question. So what he has asked is,
नो सर एक ही क्वेश्चन में दो बताए सर उसने.
क्या बताया है?
यस सर, DIT एंड
नहीं,
IFFT कॉमा दे है ना सर
that's
अंदर
what.
इसलिए.
बराबर है मैडम, मतलब the decimation method you have to use as a DIT, but you want to calculate it as IFFT. वैसा मीनिंग है उसका. इसके लिए दोनों नहीं करने का है. So purposely it was written that way. तो यहाँ पे आपको DIT डेसिमेशन मतलब डेसिमेशन का स्टेज यूज करना है, लेकिन IFFT कैलकुलेट करना है उसका, मीन्स इनवर्स वैल्यू यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट. ठीक है?
Excuse me, sir.
So this is how, like, some difficult questions we have said that. Then if you go to again question 5.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, sir, but some students are there whose Rubicon training session is going to start now at 11:20. Can they leave now?
At 11:20 they are leaving. Okay. How many are there?
Yes, sir.
How many are there? Like 15 are there. Okay.
15 are there.
So okay. At what time it is going to start? 11:20 or 11:30?
11:20.
Okay. No problem. Like you can mark your attendance and you can leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now let's move to again the question 5. Determine 4-point DFT values of the sequence x of n equals to 1, 5, 3, 2 using DIT FFT algorithm. So who will tell me the process for this, how it can be solved? Yes? Who will tell me its process?
We solve this by using DITFFT algorithm.
Okay.
In this, first we in at input side we take the sequence in bit reversal order.
May I know who is just
Total.
speaking?
Sir Vaishnavi Gote.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
And output
Then?
sequence in natural order. Total 4 Twiddle factors we require. And then we calculate stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 is of 2 point and stage 2 is of 4 point.
Very good. So this kind of clarity is required. So if you are clear with this way, then there is no problem you are going to face at any example. Yes. What about others? Is that clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then let's move to the next question. 6. The compute DFT of sequence using DIT algorithm. It is same as the above question only. And the second one is compute DFT of sequence x of n equals to cos n pi by 2, where n equals to 4, using DIFFT algorithm. So we will elaborate this question number 2.
First x of n is equal to cos n by n pi by 2 में n इक्वल टू 0 1 2 3 4 वैल्यू पुट करने का, उसके बाद n के x ऑफ n के
0 1 2 क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
3
तक. ओके. 4 नहीं है ना?
नहीं सर,
ओके.
n इक्वल टू 4 है, 3 तक पुट करने का.
ओके. ओके.
उसके बाद x ऑफ n के वैल्यू आएंगे.
ओके.
उसको DIFFT से सॉल्व करने का, इनपुट नेचुरल और आउटपुट बिट रिवर्सल लेने का.
Input in natural order and output in bit reversal order. Very
Bit
good.
reversal.
Okay. So any confusion with others? Any problem here?
No, sir.
Okay. Then next again, question number 7 is calculate 8-point DFT values of sequence cos n pi by 2 using DITFFT algorithm. So how do you solve this?
As it is 8-point DFT, then we have to take n equal to 0 to 7 तक लेने का वैल्यू और DITFFT से सॉल्व करने का.
Okay. Hope this like up to 7 question, no one is having any confusion. So others also you can contribute, right? So it is not like some people has taken a tender or contract of talking the things. So दूसरों को अगर कोई problem है तो please start speaking, right? अभी face to face तो बात करना ही नहीं है, अपने घर में बैठ के बात करना है आपको. So you should not have any fear in your mind. So with that you can learn the things how to present again. Vaishnavi Gote is having like good confidence. So that kind of confidence everyone has to develop now. Okay. What about question 8 again? I think it is same kind of question. What it is there on the above part again, right? The next we have like question 9 is calculate x of n using DIFFT, where x of k is given as 20, 0, minus 4 plus j4, 0, minus 4, 0, minus 4 minus j4 and 0. So who will tell me this, how it can be solved? How it can be solved?
We solve this by
have to calculate IDFT of the
Hmm?
sequence.
May I know who is speaking again?
We have to calculate.
Okay.
ऋतुजा जाधव.
We have to calculate.
IDFT of a sequence using DIF. Input should be in
Why IDFT, madam?
natural. X of n कैलकुलेट करने को बोल रहे हैं ना सर.
X of n कैलकुलेट करने
So
के लिए बोल रहे हैं using DIF FFT.
input should be in natural order and multipliers are at output side and output is in bit reversal order.
ओके आपका X of n डायरेक्ट नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे विदाउट IDFT. नॉर्मल DIF FFT सॉल्व कर रहे तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है यहाँ पे? So why we have to go for the IDFT? Rutuja, are you getting my question?
Yes sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
IDFT विचारलंच नाही तर कशाला करायचं IDFT? So if your input are in frequency domain or it is in X of k format, output are getting in bit reversal order. So जो output आपको मिल रहा है वो X of n रहता है. तो IDFT कैलकुलेट करने का क्या फायदा है यहाँ पे?
Yes sir. Now got it sir.
हाँ, so please don't get confusions with the questions. So read the questions carefully. हाँ, जो पूछा है वही करना है हमें. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay, is everyone has got understood with this? Or still anybody is
Yes,
having
sir.
confusion here?
No, sir. No, sir.
ऐसे छोटे छोटे कंफ्यूजन मत कर लो. क्या होता है कि ये इतना बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है, इट विल टेक लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 15 मिनट. तो ऐसा छोटा एक कंफ्यूजन आपका 10-15 मिनट वहां पे वेस्ट हो जाएंगे पूरा. Like if you are not following the correct steps, so you may lose your complete marks there. Okay, please take care of such things. Okay, now find DFT of the sequence X of n using DIT FFT algorithm. How do you solve this? How do you solve this? Anybody?
इनपुट सिग्नल बिट रिवर्सल में और आउटपुट नेचुरल में लेने का.
ओके, सो सिंपल आपका DIT FFT का प्रोसीजर यूज करने का. ठीक है?
हाँ सर.
Yes.
मतलब जब आपको वो DFT पूछ रहा है तो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन, राइट? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो आपको X of k के वैल्यूज आ जाएंगे वहां पे. X of k values are in natural order. Then finally he has asked you the theory question like explain in detail concept of bit reversal in DIT and DIF algorithm. Okay, so I have given you like how to write for bit reversal, or else maybe you may expect like a question on in place computation, or else you may expect a question on this Gurjel algorithm also. I think once or twice it is asked like explain about the Gurjel algorithm, or they may ask you the example on that Gurjel algorithm also, right? So any questions throughout chapter 4? If you have in your mind, you may ask the question. We have another 2-3 minutes time. किसी को कोई अगर डाउट या कंफ्यूजन अगर है तो यू मे आस्क. Yes? Anybody is there? No questions are there. Okay. So I think if the no questions are there, then we'll close the session here. And this completes your unit 4, right? Maybe within 1 or 2 days, I'm going to take again one MCQ surprise test on unit 4, right? MCQ may be the questions which I have given from that questions, or it may be out of that questions also. So you please be ready with the preparation. ठीक है? Can we stop here?
सर
Yes.
वो एग्जाम फॉर्म के फी के बारे में पूछा है क्या आपने?
खोबरे ना? हाँ.
हाँ सर.
I discussed with Kasture sir. Let us talk one more time. I will call him and I will call you back. ठीक है?
यस सर. हाँ सर.
और किसी कोई प्रॉब्लम? So fill the exam forms as early as possible. पेंडिंग मत रखो अभी किसी का. Okay, I am going to close the session.